Hey guys, here you can see I have my iPad and here I'm running iOS 26.1 and you can see it has YouTube over here, and this YouTube has certain features, and as you can see I've connected it to my PC. And here I'll also go into the App Store and I'll show you right over here that I have not downloaded YouTube. Like if I go in over here, I click on YouTube and you can see it shows get, but I have YouTube over here. So what we are going to do is we are going to download this file, which is over here. I'll just go and search it once, as I'll show you beforehand, which is this. You can see this is the file. We're going to use the method to download it. So this is, and now let's move to our computer screen. There's one more thing you'll have to do is you have to go into your settings, and once you're into settings you'll scroll all the way down and you'll find this privacy and security. You'll click on that, and when you are in over here you'll scroll down and you'll find over here security has this developer mode. I've already enabled my developer mode. All you have to do is enable it, your device will restart and you'll have to enter your password. This is a necessary step to run the IPA files, else it might not even run and not let you even use it properly.
What you have to do is you have to go into over here and you have to go into side loadly. You have to just, I'll show you, you have to just come all the way back and you have to search over here side loadly download. The moment you hit it, you can go through these download links if you want. I'll provide it in the description. You can download it separately from here, the iCloud and the iTunes. Once you're done with that, you have to actually go into SiteLoadly over here. If you don't want, you can just get into SiteLoadly. You can download it separately for your iTunes here and iCloud here. The links are also over here. And you have to go and download SiteLoadly and install it like you usually do on your Windows PC. Once that's done, one very clear disclaimer, you need PC for that. You can't make it work without a PC, as it will fail after a month. Sorry, after a week. After 7 days, the signing will go away and you will have to somehow get it to work by again uninstalling and reinstalling it. So this is the best method and I'll go through it. So once you get in iTunes, you come into iTunes, you log in and you go into accounts. In accounts, you have to go over here and authorize. You click here, authorize your, sign into your Apple ID to authorize this computer. Here, the email, the Apple ID will be here, you enter the password and you click authorize. So whatever the password is, you enter it and you hit authorize. Once the authorization is done, you connect your iPad to your computer. So I'll recommend you to use a non-Apple wire, as it's not going to let you do the thing we are trying to do. It will block it. So I'm using an Android cable to do whatever I want on my iPad. So once I have got the iPad over here, you'll see this iPad showing up over here. What you have to do is you have to go down and in the options you have to sync with this iPad over Wi-Fi. This is a necessary step, as this will allow you to keep re-signing your iPad whenever your laptop or computer turns on. It will automatically re-sign your IPA file on your iPad without any issue. So here you can see I've done this, and here what you have to do is once you have selected it, you just hit done and you're done over here. So this part is done. I'll go into SiteLoadly over here. So in SiteLoadly, what you have to do is you'll see this. You have to log in into your Apple ID at the moment, and you can see your device connected over here. Yeah, you will also have to log in into iClouds, by the way. So once you have got everything done over here, what you have to do is you will just log in there, and once the login is done, you have to select here IPA, and you can see it shows me all the local files. I'll go into downloads, and here I have an IPA file for something which I won't say over here. I have this and I'll select open. So you can see the logo, and I also have this website where you can get different IPA files. Else you have GitHub where you can download files. If you search over here GitHub IPA, you have a lot of different IPA files just search IPA files, and you'll have a lot of different, yeah, you'll have this IPA file for these. So now we're going to head back to this, and I've already showed you I don't have this certain app on my iPad right now. And here we are, and this is to sync in, but I'll just go over here and hit start. So once these are being done, what I'm going to tell you is here you'll find this side loadly running. When you right click it, you can see it shows current install. And I had this installed previously, I got it uninstalled. This also now I'm installing again this one. You can see it's written over unpacking, now it's signing. And then I had this one beforehand, but it's not that good. So I'll get this Spotify app, and you have to also enable this one, as you can see, automatically launch on start boot, so it can automatically refresh. You can see over here it's going on signing packing. It's done, and now it's uploading. So once it's uploaded, I'll show you what happens when I have the iPad open. I'll show you everything. And yeah, it's a genuine working thing, and it's 100% working. I've been trying it and doing it for like 2 months, 3 months, and now you can see it's verifying the application and it's installing it. So we'll go ahead in the iPad and show. Once it shows done,
Here is that app, and for your peace of mind, I'll again go into this, and you can see it shows store. It still shows get. I haven't downloaded anything from the store. You can see it's over here, and yeah, I have to just hit allow, hit close, allow, and yeah, it's logged in because I was using it previously, so I got it logged in now. And when you will get it for the first time, you have to do certain steps which I'm going to show you right now. What you have to do is you will come into the general over here. In general, you will scroll down to, I'll show you where. You'll come and scroll down to this VPN. Once you are VPN, you'll have this email ID written over here. You click on that and you hit here. You will get a sign to give it the permission to verify. As you can see, I have 3 apps and it all shows verified. So I have these and all verified. So here you go. Here it's the working proof of the thing I've downloaded. And again, I'll be honest, I did not, yeah, everything works, and I can even show you I have got the account and I can play anything I want. It just works flawlessly as this one works. I showed you. So this is the thing, and yeah, you have to just refresh it over Wi-Fi. Whenever you are connected to the same Wi-Fi, it will keep refreshing it, so you don't have an issue with that. So yeah, here it is, and no problem, everything working. And yeah, thank you for watching. If you like my video, please subscribe to the channel. It really helps me, and please like the video as algorithm makes me, promotes the video more. So thank you for watching.